Safari Trek.
Welcome to Legoland. I hope you like Safari Trek. This is a 360 video, so be sure you look around. It was fun to play with Legos while our parents waited for their ride. Giraffe, it moves its head.
Yeah, it does. Wow, this goes fast. You're a crazy driver. See the ostrich with his head in the ground?
Yeah. Alligators! Yikes! Alligators!
Yikes!
Flamingos! My favorite!
Where? You're right. And a pelican.
Dinosaur!
What's a pelican doing over there? Oh, there's another alligator. Burr, it's cold with this. It's going so fast. Burr.
Yeah.
There's Mom and Jay. Hi, Mom and Jay.
Flamingos. Oh.
See, that one's head's in the ground. Rhino.
Rhino! Ah!
Keep steering.
Goat.
I think they're impalas or deer or something.
Oh, Black Panther.
Black Panther?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, you're right.
Oh, two little monkeys.
Just like the little monkeys at the beginning, huh?
I think we're going back to them.
Maybe. Step on the gas.
Oh, look.
Ooh.
Panda.
Hey, that's cool.
Pandas,
They're so cute.
Oh.
Gorillas. Oh, and what are those?
Lions.
Ah.
Lions?
Yeah?
Burgers.
That was kind of fun, huh? No? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay. Alright, that's good. Thanks for riding. Watch step.
I like the panda bears and the flamingos.
That would take a lot of time to build those with Lego, wouldn't it?
Maybe all night and all day.
All night and all day? Could be.